Hello everyone, good morning. Welcome to our Spring AI classes. Today we will learn about one of the AI model, that is OCI GenAI Cohere chart. How we'll integrate with the Spring AI, we'll see in this class. First, what is OCI GenAI? It is a OCI Generative AI is managed service by Oracle that gives us access to LLMs via APIs. This service provides both pre-trained foundation models and the ability to fine-tune them using our own data. It supports high-performance GPU clusters, making it sustainable for inference and production workloads. What does coherent chart mean in this context? It's a chart-based interaction, a conversational interface using Cohere's LLMs within OCI GenAI. OCI means Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, where it offers specific Cohere models under its generative AI service. For example, Cohere Command-R E08 2024 and R plus 08 2024. These chart models are optimized for tasks like conversation, answering questions, and multi-turn dialogues. What are the key features of OCI? It's a chart API, playground, large context windows. The latest Cohere model have very large context lengths, 128,000 tokens, which makes them powerful for long conversations and a document grounded chart. There are also new model Command A with even bigger context with 256,000 tokens. Fine tuning or customization. We can fine tune these Cohere models on our proprietary data, example internal documents, to make chart more relevant or accurate. Security and privacy. Because of its own OCI, your data stays within your cloud tenancy, high data security and governance. RAG, retrieval augment generation, supports for chart agents. We can combine LLMs with retrieval from our own data stores. Analytics and monitoring. These are the main features with OCI. Now, how we will integrate with the Spring, like other models, how we integrated Spring AI with other chart models or other LLMs. Same way, first we need to generate the key, activate Oracle Cloud Infrastructure account to use the OCI GenAI Coherent Chart Client. The client offers 4 different ways to connect, including simple authentication with a user private key, workload identity, instance principal, or OCI configuration file authentication. Second thing is we need to add artifactory in the pom.xml, Spring AI starter, model OCI GenAI, or build.gradle we can add it. Like other configuration, same way we need to mention the property type, like what is authentication type, the type authentication used when authenticating to OCI may be file, instance principal, workload identity, or simple. This is the region, which region we need to connect. It's by default US Chicago because servers might be there in that location. Spring AI OCI tenant ID, user ID, fingerprint, private key, passphrase, GenAI file, profile, endpoint. These are the few of the important configuration which we need to do in our application properties to connect to the OCI. Once that's done, these are the normal chart related properties which model we need to use. Spring here, GenAI Cohere chart options model, model OCID or endpoint, compartment, say serving mode, the model, serving model to be used maybe on demand or dedicated. Then what is the problem override? Temperature, top P, top K, frequency penalty, presence penalty. So these are the few of the properties where we can configure based on our requirement. Now how we can call through programmatically? This is chart response. OCI coherent chart options dot builder model we will provide, which model we can use it, which compartment and temperature. These are the things programmatically to connect and get the response. If we want to create the controller, same way we need to provide these are the files which I already discussed. What is the authentication type, file, chart options, compartment, serving mode, model, these the configurations in application properties. Once that done, OCI coherence chart model we need to inject it in controller. Then we can write APIs and provide the message, we will get the response. Same way, manual configuration if you want. This is the OCI GenAI dependency Gradle and the environment file. If you configure that, then how we can call this paths.get system.get property user.home, then OCI compartment ID, chart model ID, config file default. So this how the programmatically we can use it. This how the will connect to OCI and integrate with Spring AI. Thank you for watching. Tomorrow class we'll learn about one more model, how that is OpenAI. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day ahead.